today is Father's Day here in Buenos Aires, and all week I've been gearing up to give Pauli's dad the exact same coffee maker that I have. I'll be giving Pauli's dad that Father's Day gift later this evening. Right now though, I'm going to lunch and I'm gonna meet up with two friends, Facundo and Nacho. And I haven't seen Facundo for so long that he bought me a birthday gift in November and I haven't got it yet, and it's right now June. I miscalculated how long it would take me to get here, so I'm 20 minutes early, and there's only really one way to pass the time. I always love coming to bar areas and making friends with the bartender. It's always just such a nice setting to be up in the bar, see people making drinks, and there's always like perfect lights.
Estamos acá, mira, a ver, espérame,
There's Facundo, there's Nacho. They're both looking for each other right now. He's sitting at the table by himself the entire time, just sitting there. This is the birthday gift that has been saved in your house for like 6 months. I don't know how he didn't drink this.
I don't know either. I don't know why, man.
Hi. Hey, what are you doing?
Cooking some pig meat. That makes sense? I don't know how to say that.
What did you say, pig meat?
Yeah.
Pork.
Oh, pork.
Pauli is making pulled pork essentially, and she's gonna put a sauce on top of it. So while she cooks, I'm actually gonna do the worst thing here. This is yours. Take it back. Before we get all these people over here, I'm gonna have to clean all this up. It smells delicious right now. I really want to show it to you, but it's in all the tin foil like that, so I can't. And there's no space, and this is proving to be a problem. I got a bunch of squash because I'm making butternut squash soup. But the problem is all these vegetables have to be roasted, and we didn't think about that. All the pork is now cooking and it still has 2 hours left.
Okay, can you do that but with boiling water?
Oh no, like can I boil all of those vegetables? It's like squash,
so.
right? Like it's super hard. I don't know if I can boil it. I feel like it would take a really long time. What should plan B be? Pauli, I have an idea. I'm thinking maybe mac and cheese. I don't have any cheese though, or the noodles. Sure, pasta like this isn't of the highest quality, but because I'm gonna lather all this up in cheese, I don't think it'll matter. Yeah, I got the cheese! T-minus 1 hour until everybody's here, and now I have to just make sure that the cheese quality is good. ¿Dónde es la única cosa que cambia ahí con que un café es tipo $1? Pero... Oh wow! This barbecue is done. It looks absolutely spectacular. This is probably just a little rude to do, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Got like the perfect juice to it, and flavor just melts away in my mouth basically. Yeah, it's amazing.
Thank you to me.
Yeah, Pauli made it. So, is this your first time making a pulled pork like this?
Yeah, and it's really good.
Hey, already a master. There are a million things I love about Argentina, and the cost of living is definitely one of them. So we just fed 7 adult mouths, and you saw everything we had. And I just calculated we paid $13.38 for all of that. That didn't include the wine because those were brought as gifts from Jorge. But yeah, everything else, all the food that you saw, $13.38. Bye. I don't know if I'm drunk off the wine or off the food, but this was a fabulous Father's Day here in Buenos Aires, and definitely not like the traditional Father's Day that I'm used to, but yeah, it was great. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the city. Hope you enjoyed my friends and family. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Definitely catch up with us on the next vlog. Bye.